watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the moss soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny.
Okay, my dear learners, welcome to my channel Skill Tone. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about how we can analyze correlation and scatter plot diagram drawing using RStudio. In my previous video, I have shown you how to do the same thing using Pandas Jupyter Notebook. Now I'm going to use RStudio to show the correlation and scatter plot diagram demonstration. So let's get started. Remember, in my last video, I developed a data which is named macro data of Bangladesh, and I included GDP, export, unemployment, and inflation, these few variables from 2011 to 2018 data. I'm going to use the same data set to upload it in RStudio and analyze it for correlation and scatter plot diagram. So let's get started to upload the data. So just for the sake of simplicity, I'm using a very simple note. I mean the variable which is data1 for the simplicity. Actually, you can use any name for your variable and store your data information there. So I'm going to use CSV file, CSV. Okay, and this is, I strongly recommend you to use this way in order to upload your data into R, but you can use any other way as well if you wish to. I guess the same thing will happen to the same other way as well, but this is the way I do it. Okay, my dear learners, once I give you the code and then press enter, it will come like this, and I have to go to my desktop to locate my data, and this is my data. I upload it, and you can see here in this particular case the data is there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some names and as well as using attachment of the data so that we can use it for easily correlation and other scatter plot diagram. So let's say data 1. Okay, so we have attached it. Names, we would like to know the name of the variable inside of my data set, and you can see here the year, exports, GDP, inflation, unemployment are my variable names. Now I'm going to understand what are the type of those variables. Let's say I would like to know the exports, whether it is a numeric or a string. So you can see it is numeric. We also want to know whether GDP is a numeric or textual data. So using the class command, I can know the variable type. Okay, now I would like to plot. So I just want to, unlike Pandas or Python, I do not have to upload so many packages in R, and this is an advantage for the statistical analysis in R. Okay, so plot, I would like to plot exports. Okay, and then GDP, and then main is equal to, I would like to use the scatter plot diagram, scatter plot. Okay, I guess it's all right? Okay, now you can see the scatter plot diagram is there. It is a negative relationship, just like we have done it in the previous video. The negative relationship it is showing. Now I would like to do a correlation test. So .test test, and I would like to know about the correlation between exports and GDP. and I am going to use the method, most commonly used method, Pearson, for my correlation test. I guess it's all right. Now after clicking the enter, I can see Pearson correlation matrix. It's showing that the highly negative correlation between export and GDP, 0.977, strong negative correlation, and which is an interesting economic implication, which I want to make a small video on that to explain when the GDP is positive, what are the causal relationship between GDP and export, and when it becomes negative. So all this information I'm going to use in my next video when I use regression and model building using the linear regression, simple linear regression model. And also I would like to demonstrate how simple linear regression model can use in machine learning and data science using economics concept. So for now, that's it, and I hope you like this small video. Next video I'm going to use regression analysis, because now we have shown the correlation. The next video it will show the prediction process of machine learning and data science. So hopefully you will enjoy it, and we will come again in the next blog. Thank you so much.